Hello guys, welcome back to DirectDMedia. First of all, I hope you guys are doing fine at home during this MCO. I'm sure by now most of you have heard about this amazing smartphone by Lenovo, the Lenovo Z6 Pro. So since this is a performance flagship smartphone, our review today will include benchmarks and gaming. Without further ado, let's check it out. What can I say about the design? Well, this is not what we used to see in the old Lenovo smartphones. Z6 Pro is the first Lenovo smartphones from Z series, and it looks stunning with the finishing color and materials. I'm not saying it's extraordinary, but it's on par with other 2020 smartphones from other higher and more reputable brands, which is a good sign. There are two choices of color, which is black and blue. No fancy name, just straightforward, which is pretty rare today. The camera design used vertical arrangement at the back, while for the front selfie camera, it used water drop notch style. The thin bezel made the 6.39 inches screen look bigger than its size. The sides are made from glass with a metal frame to provide a premium feeling in hand. On the right side located its volume button and power button. The USB Type-C charging port and a firing speaker are placed at the bottom of the phone. For audiophiles, Lenovo Z6 Pro still has a 3.5mm audio jack, even though it's located weirdly at the top. But hey, this is still a good news. Lenovo Z6 Pro has a 6.39 inches FHD Plus Super AMOLED display with 1080x2340 pixels resolutions. The screen looks decently sharp, and being an AMOLED, black is super deep. It gives you excellent experience, especially when watching videos. Also worth to mention that having a small bezel, it allows for a decently comfortable grip in hand. Having a Snapdragon 855 as the heart of Lenovo Z6 Pro, we still consider it as flagship smartphone even with newer Snapdragons are out there. This is because for us, Snapdragon 855 is still able to deliver great performance, more than what a smartphone really needs. There is no hefty 12GB or 16GB RAM here, only 8GB RAM. That is sufficient for heavy users out there. It comes with 1 to 8GB storage with an expandable memory via microSD up to 256GB. For its operating system, somehow it is still on Android 9 Pie with Lenovo ZUI 11.1 on top with some neat features. But I think it will be better if Lenovo used Android Vanilla for faster OS update and smoother performance. Lenovo Z6 Pro uses an in-display fingerprint and it works really well, responsive and fast. Next, let's take a look at Z6 Pro performance from 3 benchmarks: AnTuTu, 3D Mark, and Geekbench. Mentioned earlier, the performance with this last year's top flagship is still excellent and as per expected. Z6 Pro has an efficient cooling system with a copper pipe and vapor chamber, because after hours of gaming, we got no thermal throttling issue. In PUBG Mobile, the graphic can be set to HDR with the extreme frame rate. It runs really well without any lagginess. Same goes for Asphalt 9. Even at very high graphics settings, the game runs perfectly consistent. So gamers, if performance is what you seek for, I have no hesitation recommending this Lenovo Z6 Pro. The Lenovo Z6 Pro battery life is impressive too. It has a 4000 mAh battery, and from our previous video, after playing PUBG Mobile for 30 minutes straight, the battery drops only 10% from 100%. With 18 watts fast charging, it can charge from 0 to 45% in just half an hour. Priced in mid-range level, but with a flagship chipset, Lenovo Z6 Pro is really a bargain. Great for gaming, beautiful design, and good cameras. If this is the new direction of Lenovo, I can say this once a famous brand a few years back is ready for a comeback. If you are interested in buying Lenovo Z6 Pro, head over to www.directd.com.my to purchase. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to DirectDMedia channel. Remember, stay safe and stay at home. That's all from me. See you in the next video. Adios!